In our case, we were up on a pier. We were going straight down with it. And we would be catching yellow perch, fish like, and this is where I ended last time, fish that look like this. And yellow perch are a beautiful yellow and green fish, usually average 1.5 pounds to 2 pounds in size. They have amazing meat in their sides here, which we call a fillet. If they're big enough, the best meat on a lot of fish is right in the cheek right here. And you can usually scoop it out with a knife and you get just a couple swallows of it in a fish like a perch. In a walleye, which is not something we're specifically talking about here, it's much bigger, and you could get a nice meal out of 2 cheeks in a 10-pound walleye. Let me just quickly show you a walleye just so you'll know here. So again, we're talking very realistically about aquatic ecology here. So look at how much bigger the cheek is in a walleye. Remember I told you how big a fish can be made if you hold it straight out from you towards you? Well, this is the opposite way. This guy's holding this fish away from him. And so that's a pretty big size walleye. Here's the cheek right here. And you would cut that out, scrape it out, and have an amazing meat. By the way, many people, including me, believe that walleye is the most wonderful fish, freshwater that you can eat in terms of the consistency of its meat and a number of things. We'll talk more in some of our later sessions about walleye. Look at how carnivorous they are. Look at the teeth here on this fish. So let's go back to Great Lakes, and we're going to look at the Waukegan Pier. So again, I was 5 years old when this happened. So 5 years old means that I was in my, this was 1957, 58 timeframe, a long time ago for many of you. Here you see a picture of how popular right now it is to fish on this pier. These are fishermen. They are probably fishing for salmon and trout. This is a lighthouse that's out on the pier that's kind of famous, well known throughout the area. Here's a picture of it looking from farther in. If you remember our map, it takes a turn right here and then goes out. So that's where this fishing occurred. So now we're going to fast forward about 5 years to when I was 10 years old. And so this would be in, let's say, 1962 or so. And we're going to put another kind of a fish name